Hi, welcome to a mini morning meditation for Qigong. So whenever you feel ready, place your hands together, palms right in the center of your chest. Breathe in and imagine expanding your heart space. Imagine the back of your heart opening up and green light spilling out in every direction with every inhale, pulsing that energy into your body. Emerald green light flowing from your heart into every corner of your body as you inhale. Exhaling and releasing. Taking your hands, bringing them forward, and then bringing them down, and then bringing them into a diamond. Sliding. Pausing here at lower dantian, inhaling and exhaling, sinking everything down to your intuition. Everything from your mind sinks now. Feeling you are lightly grounded and lifted from the crown of your head at the same time. Grounded down to the core of the earth and lifted into the universe. Everything you need, you already have. Everything you want, you already are. And everything is within you. May you have a wonderful day.